Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a Google form. So first thing, to create a Google form, you require a Gmail account. Okay. So if you have a Gmail account, just log in to your Gmail account. Here you can see Google Apps option is there. Okay. Click here. Then go to Drive. After this step, you have to click on New. Okay. In New, you have to click on More, and in More option you have the option called Google Form. Select this Google Form. Okay, so this is the screen. This is the layout of the Google Form. First you have to give the title for your form. See, we have two options here. One is question, so we are going to create a question, and second option is response. Okay, so when we are going to send this form. Okay, those who will fill the form, we will get to see the how many people have responded to our form. Okay, so Google Form is very useful for like to take survey from students or for conducting webinars for registration purpose and all. Okay, so here we will give the title. So let's keep the title as webinar or registration for Android. Okay, then here you can give a description about the webinar, like what is the time and all. So I will just write here time 11 a.m. Okay, and then your first question. So first question will be full name. Okay, here you have options like in first field, the full name will be nothing but a short answer. So you will select short answer. Okay, now I want that this field should be compulsory filled by the participants. Okay, so here you have to click on required. Okay, now to add the next field, you have to click on the plus sign. Okay, then now here you can add second field as phone number. Okay, so from here you are going to select again short answer. Now phone number should be always in numbers, so here you have to click on number, is number, and what error text you want to display. So that error you can type here, like suppose you can write as wrong number or wrong input. Okay, and again make this field as required. Then again click on next. So now next field we will create for gender. Okay, gender. Then from here you have to select multiple choice. Okay, so this will give you a radio button. So option 1 will be your male and option 2 will be your female. Okay, and then make this also required. Then next field. Okay, then next we'll have hobbies. Okay, so for hobbies, from here you can select checkbox and you can give option like badminton, cricket, then hockey. That's it. Again, if you don't want to make this field compulsory, then it's okay, you just add next field. So to add next field, again we will have email. For email also you will have short answer. Again make this as required. Then next is want state. So from here you will select for state, you will select drop down list, and for drop down list you can add here options as Mumbai, Mumbai, Delhi, okay. Then you can have Kerala, etc. Okay. So again you can mark this as required. Clear with this? So you can also add image. If you want to add image, you can select here from here an image, and then from where you want to upload the image, like from cameras or from photos or from Google Drive. Okay, so these are some of the options. So from Google Drive you want to upload, you can select from here and just upload it. Okay. For upload you can go to browse. If you want to upload the photos from your PC, okay, or from your local drives. Suppose I want to upload this, so I will select Google, I click make allow. Okay, so see, so this way you can upload the image also. Clear with this? Similarly, if you want to add video, same process, click on add, and this will give you. If you want to add the YouTube link, then you can just copy your YouTube URL here and paste it. Okay, so this was about video. Now suppose you want to add different session. Okay, so from here you can select add session. So this will create your different session. So I can give this session as educational information, like this. You can give your description if you want, otherwise just click on add. Okay, now here you can write college name. This will be your short answer. I will make it as required. Then again click on add. Your next field can be standard, like FY. So from here you can select multiple choice, then add FY, SY, and theta. That's it. Okay. Make it as required. Okay. Then you want to create a duplicate field, you can click on duplicate. So I will click here. So again, same field will be copied and paste here. If I want to delete, I can delete from here. So this will delete that particular field. Here, so this is how we can create a Google. If you want to preview, see here you have preview button. Okay, you just click on preview. So you will get the preview that how your Google form will be displayed to your users or students or participants. So this is how it will be displayed. Registration form. This is your title, then full name. As I have make it required, so your star is displayed for that field of this email. Then see, we have created the new section. So here we will click on next. The new section will be, next section will be appear. But we need to fill all these things. So let's fill it. Okay. So gender, And next is state. So let's select the state from your this state and then click on next. Okay, so now educational. So you want the university and then standard and then click on submit. Okay, so this is how the user will get the message your response has been recorded. So now you can go here, see now respond, here is form. Okay, so here you can see what details they have, this particular student have entered. Okay, so now suppose now this was how to create a Google form. Okay, now you were in preview session, you have filled all the form. Okay, now this was how to create a Google form. Now once we have created the Google form, how to share it with the students. So for that you have to go in response. Sorry. So for that you have to click on send button. Okay. In send button here you can type the addresses. For example, I'm sending this Google form to one of my colleagues. So I'm writing his email address. You can add multiple email address here. Okay, one more email address. Okay, so you can add your multiple email addresses to whom you want to send it. Then you can write the subject, whatever the message you want. You can write here and then click on send. This is the one way you can send via email. Second is you can just copy this link or you can create the shortened URL of that link and copy it and you can just send it through WhatsApp or you can just copy this particular URL on your mail and you can send the mail to your colleagues. So this is how you can send this particular Google form, or you can also send from Facebook or from Twitter. Okay, so this is how you can send the mail or send the Google form. So and then just you have to click on send. Okay, got it. So now next is so this is how we can send the Google form, okay, to our colleague. Now next is we have got many responses. Now I want to fetch that responses in my Excel file. So for that, go on the response tab, click on create separate Excel sheet. Now it will ask you to create a new sheet or to select existing. So as we don't have any existing Excel sheet, we will select create a new sheet. If you want to give title, you can give title as data, okay, here, and then you can click on create. So see, this will create your Excel sheet. We don't need to add anything. Everything will be automatically generated. As you can see, whatever the fields we were having in our Google form, all that fields are there in your Excel sheet also, and the name of the students with all the details is also presented automatically. So we don't have to write anything or we don't have to create anything. It will generate automatically. So this is a great advantage of the Google form. So this makes our work very easy and simple. So to conduct any survey in your colleges, so you can just create a Google form, create a link, distribute it to your students. You will automatically get all the data of your students. You don't need to create an Excel sheet and enter all the details manually. Everything will be done automatically. You have to just create a Google form. That's it. I hope you have understood this practically, how to create a Google form. Okay, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.